Late at night, raindrops were crashing against the window. I opened my car door, pressed the brake pedal, but nothing happened. The car was sliding straight toward the deep valley. My heart stopped. In the final second, I yanked the steering wheel and crashed into a tree to stop. My name is Ryan. That night, I picked up my phone and called my best friend, no, more like a sister, Mia. Her voice was shaking. Ryan, what happened? Are you okay? But only one question was spinning in my mind. Why? Someone had deliberately cut the brake cable of my car. This was no accident. This was no coincidence. This was jealousy. The jealousy of the person closest to me. The same person who once said, "We will win everything together," tried to kill me because of her jealousy. Short pause with tense music. If you're thinking of scrolling away right now, stop. Because in the next 10 minutes, the truth will come out. The truth that can completely change your life. You will discover how dangerous jealousy can be. After hearing this story, you will never want to burn with jealousy again. So listen carefully. This story begins 6 months ago in a small startup office in San Francisco. Mia and I were childhood friends. We came to San Francisco together from Chicago. Both of us were tech graduates, both crazy about coding. But luck gave me a big breakthrough. My app, Dream Track, which tracks people's dreams and gives them daily small tasks, suddenly went viral. 5 million downloads. A big Fortune 500 company offered me $1.5 million. The entire office was clapping. My boss gave me a promotion and 30% shares. Mia was smiling, but there was something different in her smile, something I had never seen before. That night at the celebration party, while everyone was surrounding me saying, "Congratulations," Mia whispered in my ear, "You always get ahead, don't you, Ryan?" "I always stay behind." I laughed it off, but the dark spark I saw in her eyes that night, I could never forget it. After that, small incidents started happening. First warning, my important presentation file suddenly disappeared. Just 10 minutes before the client meeting. I asked Mia, "Did you see it?" She said, "No, I left the office early last night." But the CCTV clearly showed Mia was in the office alone at 11:45 p.m. I ignored it. Second warning, suddenly my investor called me. "Ryan, someone emailed us saying there's a major security leak in your app." I checked, there was no leak. But the email's IP address, it was from our own office. Third and most painful warning, my girlfriend left me. She said, "Someone sent me your old chats, in which you said, 'I'm just a time pass for you.'" Those chats were never mine. They were perfectly fake, but so perfect that my girlfriend believed them. Every incident looked small, but slowly they were destroying my entire life. Then came the day, because everything comes so easily to you, Ryan. I work day and night, but people still say, "Mia, become like Ryan." One smile from you, and everything becomes yours. What am I? Just a sidekick? The friend who stays in the background. She picked up a heavy paperweight from the table. "Today I will end everything." I stepped back. "Mia, this jealousy is eating you alive. This poison is killing you." She laughed loudly. "Jealousy? This is not jealousy. This is justice." Then she attacked me. The table fell. Glass shattered. Both of us were on the floor. Her hands were around my neck. In that moment, I remembered the school days when Mia shared half her lunch with me. When we both made our first small app together. When she used to say, "Ryan, we will build a unicorn together." I said softly, "Mia, I never compared you with anyone. I never left you behind. You left yourself behind because of jealousy." Her grip loosened. Tears started flowing from her eyes. I even cut the brakes of your car," she confessed. "But you survived, just like you always survive." I helped her up and hugged her. Jealousy blinds us, Mia. It forces us to burn in someone else's light. but the real light is inside us. That night, we sat and talked for hours. I showed her my backup server. All the data was safe. I said, "From now on, we are partners. 50 to 50 shares. You will take my app to the next level. But there is one condition, no more jealousy. Only hard work and support." Mia broke down crying. "I tried to kill you, and you." I smiled. Because I know jealousy is not a person, it's a disease. And every disease has a cure. 6 months later, DreamTrack is now a $200 million company. Mia is the co-founder. She paid off her loan and restarted her own startup. And the biggest change, she no longer compares herself with anyone. She tells herself, "I am running in my own race." I gave a TEDx talk, "Jealousy, the most dangerous poison we drink ourselves." In that talk I said, "Friends, when someone gets ahead of you, don't feel jealous. Don't burn in their light. Instead, use their light to brighten your own path." Jealousy does only one thing, it stops you, while gratitude and hard work make you fly. If today you are jealous of someone, stop right now. Message that person. Become part of their success. Or create your own path. Because the one who burns in the fire of jealousy never wins. The one who defeats jealousy becomes the real champion. So friends, this was the story, which could almost be true. Now tell me, which jealousy in your life is stopping you right now? Write it in the comments. If this story touched your heart, share it with that friend who has become unusually quiet these days. Maybe he or she is also burning with jealousy. Remember, success is not stolen, it is earned. Leave jealousy, work hard, and shine. Thank you.